This little guy here is the DJI Neo, a €209 drone designed mostly for beginners, vloggers, social media, and recreational users. It delivers advanced features like subject tracking, voice control, quick shots palm takeoff, and quick shots. I strongly believe that it will be the DJI's best seller. It comes with removable propeller guards that protect it for use indoors and around people. With no obstacle detection, apart from a downward-facing infrared landing sensor, it resists crashes cause its durable design. Being the DJI's smallest drone to date, at 135 grams, gives you the opportunity to fly it completely autonomously. Without using a smartphone or a controller, fly it by placing it in your hand and pressing the mode button that allows you to select from different smart shot modes, like follow, droney, circle, and others. Then it'll automatically record video while performing one of 6 pre-programmed smart shots. At the same time, the Neo supports DJI's controllers, or you can even pilot it with a smartphone. If you buy the Fly More combo package at €359, like I did, you will get additionally the RCN3 controller that gives you more advanced features, like flying it at 2000 meters distance approximately before the battery dies. Be careful when you fly though, as there's no obstacle avoidance. In the box, you will find 2 extra batteries, the triple charger that allows you to charge all the 3 batteries at the same time, 2 extra propellers, the USB Type-C cable, some screws, and a screwdriver. The one-axis camera gimbal can tilt up 60 degrees and down 90, using additionally an electronic image stabilization for more stability. Stabilization is excellent thanks to DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon balancing systems. The half-inch 12-megapixel sensor has an ultra-wide angle of 13mm with an aperture of f2.8. Good specs for a drone in this price range. The Neo supports videos up to 4K pixels with 30 frames per second and 1080 pixels at up to 60 frames per second. Video is very sharp and color accurate though, above what you'd expect for something in this price range. With the little sensor, low light capability isn't great however. You won't find a microSD port as it relies on 22 GB of internal storage that holds about 50 minutes of 4K 30 frames footage. The 1435 mAh lithium battery is incredibly light but supports around 13 or 14 minutes in the real world. However, with the NeoFly combo kit, you can approximately get 40 minutes of flight. To charge the batteries and transfer footage, there is a USB-C port at the back, or you can use the included triple charger. It relies on 22 GB of internal storage that holds about 50 minutes of 4K footage. You won't find a microSD slot, so you are obliged to be satisfied of the 22 GB storage. Though small, the Neo is feature-rich. The settings can be tweaked with the new DJI Fly app that works without a controller and connects to the drone over Wi-Fi. You can also adjust video and photo resolution. The Neo is DJI's first model with voice control, letting you launch the drone and perform certain actions. If you want to pilot the drone by yourself without a controller, that's doable too. Manual mode brings up touchscreen controls in the DJI Fly app for all drone movements, along with camera video modes and a return to home toggle. It works surprisingly well, letting you fly the Neo with decent precision. The GPS lock assists the drone to be quite stable, but without a GPS signal, it can drift around a bit inside. For more exact control, the Neo also supports multiple DJI controllers, including the RCN3. It's also possible to be piloted as a FPV drone by connecting it with DJI's RC Motion 3 and DJI Goggles 3. The controller usage offers cinema, normal, and sport modes, manual and auto video, quick shot features, and more. Maximum horizontal speed is about 7 meters per second using the controller. The Neo can resist winds up to 29 kilometers, kind of impressive for such a small and lightweight drone. It's maneuverable and precise as well, particularly with the optional controller. That makes it ideal for events as it is small enough to fit in tight spaces and it's very safe around people. However, it is very noisy and a bit of disturbing. Active Track, Spotlight, and Point of Interest all work the same as on other DJI's drones and track subjects tenaciously. Under Direction Track mode lets you do walk and talk type vlogging with the drone keeping your face in view. The lack of obstacle sensor though forces you to be careful in this mode. When using the Neo with a smartphone under Wi-Fi control, don't let it get too far away if you don't want to lose connection. With the controller and DJI's O4 transmission though, it has a 6 km line of sight range in Europe, but I wouldn't recommend you to fly it at more than 2000 meters cause your battery will die and it will be landed far away from you. It pretty amazed me by the smoothness of footage even in a stiff breeze. Finally, you can record audio via your smartphone's microphone just by tapping on the DJI Fly app audio record button, and that will help you to eliminate that terrible whining noise. So for whom is the DJI Neo suitable? Firstly, for beginners and people that want to capture their moments for social media or not. It's also a great drone for vloggers, content creators, and recreational users who only need a drone occasionally. It executes cool shots automatically, and the image quality is at the level of a smartphone, easily good enough for social media. The most exciting part of the Neo is the price though. At 209 euros or 359 euros in the Fly More combo kit with 3 batteries and a charger, it's an incredible price considering of the capabilities. In my opinion, the Hover Air X1, which costs more and shoots lower resolution video, can't compete the DJI Neo's capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.